Hello, Super Metal Gamer here with a unboxing video on a pair of Knops. So I just recently got my order and I'm really excited to show you what they are. So long story short, these are supposed to be volume knobs for your ears, and I've been excited to try this out. So this is the box right here. Got a pair of Knops, and these guys are really neat. I love the idea when it got shown online. These guys are from the Netherlands, and they had this idea of filtering your sound that's around you, whether you're going to go to sleep, which I don't think I would. But if you're on a plane or if you're at a rock concert like myself, I play in metal bands and play in these loud environments. So this is going to be extra useful for me. So just first thing is it tells you right on the box that the green is 20 dB, the purple, pink is 0 dB, and the two blues are 30, and the other one is 10 dB. So it actually kind of gives you an idea of what dBs there are. There's no batteries, and there are acoustic hearable solutions for your environment. So on the box themselves, it kind of tells you the different frequencies in the back. Can't see it due to the glare, which sucks, but I promise that I will take a couple of pictures of it. And it says here, Knops is the world's first volume button for your ears. Our acoustic hearing solution offers you total control over the sounds that surround you with 4 different settings. The first setting does not filter out any sound. Setting 2, 3, and 4 asterisk filter out respectively 10 dB, 20 dB, and 30 dB. No lag, obviously, no radiation. Whoa, that's pretty interesting. And no gimmicks. Just total control of your sound. So that's pretty cool. So let's see, I got 2 of them here. So this one is a white set and the other one is a black set. So I got the black set for myself. So just to kind of check it out, it opens up. And that is the first thing you see is the short manual on how to use it, which isn't too bad. Then we have ourselves our Knops, which is really cool. Comes in a little case, and the Knops themselves. There's not really much to this case, to be honest. I thought it was going to be a little bit more. Oh, look at that! Surprise! We got some extra earbuds for those of you who have smaller ears or bigger ears, depending. And it has a little embroidered Knops thing on top, which is really cool. Okay, kind of hard to close at first because I guess they put it in and they just kind of flatten it in there. So let's take a look at the Knops. I got the knurled version. There's 2 types, the smooth one and then the knurled version, which is kind of, to me, it reminds me of like my Mesa amplifier, which is really cool. So I kind of like it. So I got the right and the left, so it's not too bad. And then the knurled, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like grooved in, which is really cool. And it kind of looks like a hearing aid, to be honest. It has like a little hole in there, and when you put it in, I guess they have the volume control set. There you go. Okay, so it has the name on it, and this is the left side. And I'm trying to find, there it is. You may not be able to see this, but right around this area shows a plus and a minus sign. Right around the top here. So when you put it on, it's plus this way, minus that way. So just to test them out, They feel comfortable. Okay. I guess I have them on the lowest settings, so they're not, I can't hear anything. I hear myself, and I hear myself breathing. Let's see what else I don't hear. Okay, so this is like if you were to take the side of your ears and kind of hold them in really, really tight. So it almost feels like everything is muffled. Everything is super muffled right now. I hear myself, and I'm sure I sound like I'm screaming, which is not my intention. Hold on while I drink some coffee. Okay, I just heard myself gurgling a little bit. There was like a little gurgling coming out from the coffee. So that's with those at 30 dB closed. So 20 is a little bit less muffled, so I can hear the fan, that's for sure. And then 10, I can hear myself talking like normal, so my volume is going a little bit lower probably. And then at 0, I hear the fan, I hear everything else. So yeah, I can wear these kind of normal actually. I do hear myself a little bit, but it's not that bad to make it sound like, oh man, I'm deaf. No, it's not like that at all. So when I close it up all the way, yeah, I definitely don't hear anything. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, these are fantastic. I need to use these at a show, because at a normal situation I would use regular earplugs, like the ones that are like a lanyard like these, except that these are not earplugs. But if they're on a lanyard, I put them in, and then I would listen to it outside. I mean, I would listen to everything outside. This guy is a little bit more like you pop them in and you don't have to worry about taking them off throughout the entire session. So let me pull these guys out. They're really comfortable. They're comfortable. They're really well done. The construction feels really solid. These are unique. They're just like regular earplugs. And this is what it looks like without the little ear thingies. So it's not too bad. And you just kind of pop them in, just like so. Just pop them in. Make sure they're snug. Make sure it fits in all the way, so they don't feel like they're popping out. And that's it. I think these are fantastic. So this is great. I like these things. I can't wait to use them at a show. I recommend these guys. They feel that they're definitely gonna do the job, especially at like a heavy metal show. Any heavy metal shows, like, I think it'll be very fantastic for anybody who's a normal avid musician, anybody who likes to go to concerts, loud places, airports, airplanes, like inside the airplane, like when you're sitting there and all you hear is the engine. I would assume it's going to sound like if you were to put your finger in your ear and you hear the hum of the engines. That is the only thing I can think of. Otherwise, I think they're fantastic. This is Super Metal Gamer, and I hope you subscribe below. I'll be posting videos every week, and I will be. It would be great to hear from you guys and see what kind of comments you have about the Knops. Do you have a pair of Knops yourself? Put them in the comments below, and subscribe over here. Okay? Thank you so much. Take care.